Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix blur background and not working Google Meet. So one of the ways to fix our problem is by going to your App Store, Google Play, and then just go ahead and type Google Meet, right? And make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. If it is, just go ahead and move along to the next step. If it isn't, just make sure that you update it. So another way of fixing that problem, if you're still facing it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your main settings. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the general and then iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, you're gonna see the multiple apps that you have on your iPhone. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just try to find the Google Meet right here. Go ahead and click on it. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app, you will unload some of the unnecessary data and files that are saved in your Google Meet, and then you're going to be able to reinstall it once again. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.